Good day everybody and welcome to another Amazon PPC newsflash. Today I just have one little news coming from the Amazon software landscape, which is that PPC Scope, the very first PPC software, was acquired by one of the leading Amazon PPC agencies, CANOPY Management. Now, even though I think this won't have an immediate effect on anybody really, because actually the founder of PPC Scope is also the co-founder of CANOPY Management, right? So he's still just going to be leading the way for the whole company now. So in that sense, it's not a big change right away. However, for me as a PPC geek, this does give me hope that the old prestigious first PPC software will make its big comeback in the coming months, perhaps next year. Right now, to be honest, they've fallen behind pretty much all Amazon softwares, not having any kind of automation, for example. But this does give me hope they will give more emphasis on that software again, and they will try to push back. And given the fact that they have the biggest Amazon PPC Facebook group, which as of today, I think so at least, has over 20,000 users, I do think they have a realistic chance of actually tackling that market again and really becoming one of the leading Amazon PPC softwares. So like I said, probably right now won't have a big impact, but down the road I do think this could, push all Amazon softwares again to really improve their PPC features. And in that sense, competition is always good, and this will hopefully bring even more competition to that landscape. Okay, that was just a really quick Amazon PPC newsflash for you guys, and we will see you in the next one.